And I think with anything like purple belt or higher, I have this really bad habit of I just psych myself out because I know
that there's skill.
Yeah, it's like I can't win, and it's I think because of that I try to play the game of like trying to read what they do, but they're so far ahead of me. No matter what I do, they're already like 10 steps ahead of me. So I think when I'm in a dominant position against someone that's a higher belt, I try to generally hold the position as long as possible. Right? If I'm in mount,
are you going for the subs? Well, I mean,
I'm not going for the subs. I think that's one of the bad things, is because I feel like if I go for a sub, I'll leave a little bit too much space, because it's the like, let's say when I'm mounting them, I mean, if I go for like an arm bar or something, I feel like they're like waiting for me to go for the arm bar so they can escape.
Sometimes they are, yeah, so. Sometimes they are, but it's still for you to attack from those positions versus just holding it. Like, if you can hold it, that's good, but it's still the art of attacking. Like, you want to be able to submit your opponent, right? That's what we're going for, a tap. We're trying to get a tap here. And obviously they will have good defense, but then that will, if you attack, that should chain in your mind to help you know, like, well, what do I do next if they do defend? I need to know how to respond to that appropriately. You know, if they defend this way, that means I go this way. But you won't know that unless you try it, right?